Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given the number 70, which has been divided into two parts such that the ratios of the parts are 3:7, and thus we have to find the absolute difference between the two parts. So let the two parts of 70 be x and y. So we can write x plus y equals 70. This is equation number 1, and x upon y equals 3 upon 7. Therefore we can write x equals 3k and y equals 7k. We can assume this in this way, because if we find the ratio of x upon y, then k and k will cancel out each other and we will ultimately get 3 upon 7. So our assumption is absolutely correct. Now substitute the values of x and y in equation number 1. So we will have 3k plus 7k equals 70. That is 10k will be equals 70. Now in order to get the value of k, divide both sides of the equality by 10. So 70 upon 10 will be equals 7. So the value of k is 7. Therefore x will be equals 3k, which will be equals 21, and y will be equals 7k, which is equals 49. Therefore absolute difference equals y minus x equals 49 minus 21, which will be equals 28. So our absolute difference will be equals 28, and thus this will be our final required answer. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day.